kasi ng opisina na isuspender ang
Sa
penalidad.
tao ka mag-iso sa warang drug. Sira sa Delgado Commerce Industry.
Mabarata sa aldaw na ini, ako po si Maika Angeles. Marikas na naglakop sa social media ang subuot pagtumak sa pinagtitindang pundakan sa rong miyembro kan Public Safety Office. Tulos man nagpaliwanag din reaksyon si Ms.
NAGA City People's Mall. Di naman tulos kan GNN TV sa isyong ini. Si Executive Director Rene Gumba ang nagsabi na tulos nagpasiring sa iyang opisina ang silang personahe asin inistorya na mayong insidente ng pagtumak na nangyari. Imbes na out of balance subuot siya, hulita sa dit ang espasyo.
In pagkasuod man, nagdigditulos sa samong personal kasi nagpaliwanag na mayong insidente din pagtumak balance dahil nasa bangketa so panindang kalatag. In that context, duman kita nag-instruction na mag-submit ng incident report. Sangon niya nakauli na sa tuyang admin unit, so personnel, para maghiyaan. Stressful man iyan ang sitwasyon na araw niya. Pagka ang trending na sa tuyang mga enforcers, importante din na naintindihan sa konteksto ng sindang trabaho.
Sa iba pang bareta, diretso na sa mga alkalde o lokal na gobyerno kan mga banwaan sa nasyon ang pondo para sa pagpapakonstruir nin mga classrooms asin day na maagi sa opisina kan Department of Public Works and Highways. Ang gusto ninda, makagibo nin dekalidad ng mga classroom sa tamang presyo.
Ito po yung gagawin po namin. Yung gusto po namin gawin sa budget, kapag naglagay na po ng bilyones dito po sa mga classroom, hindi na po namin ito papadaan sa DPWH. So, yun lang po, may DPWH po dito. Ang gagawin po namin, didiretso po namin sa local government, sa mga mayor. Dahil yung mga mayor po, alam ko, araw-araw po nila iniisip yung kapakanan ng mga classroom po nila. So, alam naman po ito ni Secretary Angara, in fact, he is in full support of this RD, na itong Classroom Acceleration Program, puponduhan po natin, I'm hoping madagdagan natin up to 10 to 20 billion pesos sa ating mga classroom para iisa-isahin po natin yung classroom gap at sisiguraduhin po natin na sa kamay ng mga pwede mag-implement ng mabilis at sa tamang presyo.
Mientras tanto, sa Julian B. Milaton Elementary School, 22 classrooms ang saindang kakulangan. Kung madadagos ang promisa ni Senador Bam Aquino na magpatugdok ng mga bagong classroom, inisubot ang magiging dakulang tabang sa gabos na nagaklase sa saindang eskwelahan.
Naniniwala kung 3-story, 16 classrooms siguro okay na ang bagamat kulang tayo ng sa ngayon sa ngayon mga 24 classrooms ang so yung mga 16 lahat na kailangan natin sapagkat meron na mga nangangailangan iba.
Sa iba pang bareta, Padagos ang pagplano kang Metro Naga Water District as National Irrigation Administration manungod sa tubig na gagamiton kang MNWD. Susog ki MNWD spokesperson Choppy de la Cruz, nakaulay naman ninda ang mga Farmers Association manungod sa magiging partnerships kanduang ahensya asing tugot man sinang magkuanin tubig sa dam na pinagagamit kang mga paraoma.
Ito pong sa NIA, ongoing pa po ang pag-aadal kang ginigibo kang MNWD asin ng NIA. And then nagkaurulay na kita pati po itong mga farmers beneficiaries kang NIA. Nag-urulay na po kang sarumbulan asin nagtugot man sinda. Sumak po kitang problema sa ongoing po ang pag-aadal ang pagkukolekta ng tubig, tangay pong maaraman niya to ano baga talaga ang kaipuhan tang treatment.
Drug suspect na nabadil kasubangi matapos manlaban, dati nang nahampang sa kaso ng illegal na droga as
Gadan ang 45 anyos na street-level individual na taga Zone 7 Haring Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Matapos kaining saksakon sa tagiliran ang duwang pulis kang Naga City Police Office gamit ang kutsilyo kan inipoposasa na subuot kang mga operatiba matapos mabakalan ininin subuot shabu. Alagad inin ng laban gamit ang nakatagong kutsilyo. Kun kaya digdi naman naggamit ning badil ang PNP asin pinaputukan kay ni ang suspek na nagresulta kan sa iyang pagkagadan. Sa initial report kang Naga City Police Office, tulong tama ning badil ang sinapo kang suspek. duwa sa daghan asin saro sa lalawgon. Nangyari ang BUYBUST operation pasado alas 9 ning banggi, Oktubre 15 sa Urban Foresight, Barangay Abella, Naga City.
Magayon na balita pero mamundo may BUYBUST operation po ang Police Station 1 Kasubangi and together with the City Intelligence Unit. Although nakuha si suspect po pero may nasaksak kitang tropa. So may duwa kitang wounded na personnel pero nasa individual. Yung kung specifically. Pero si Saro po medyo nagrabe garo tulong saksak ito sa tagiliran. Nung na-consummated na yung BUYBUST operation habang pupusasan na siguro ito habang pupusasan po and then kaibay si mga witnesses biglang puminalag ining suspekta. So dumanan po nagkaroon ng confrontation and medyo madiklom po kaya sa lugar. Yun na po nga yan, nagresulta na sa duwang IRIDO tang personnel.
Ang nagadan na suspect pinagbisto na si alias Marlon na dati nang nakulong sa kaso nin illegal na droga kang taong 2016, 2019 asin 2021. Apora pa ini sa kasong pagbalgar sa Republic Act 9262. Sa ginibong body search sa suspect, nakumpiskaran ini ning 5 pidasong transparent plastic sachet na may loob.
May nakuha po kita nasa 5 sachet ning illegal drugs. Estimated value 6,800.
Sangunyan,
1,800.
Sangunyan, nasa Bicol Medical Center pa ang duwang pulis na nasaksak kasubanggi. Para sa GNN TV 38 Naga, Cristina Balansuala, News Break.
Mientras tanto, para dahil na mautro na may masaksak na PNP personnel habang nagkukondisir in anti-illegal drug BUYBUST operation, kinakaipuan man subot ay preparar kan lambang pulis ang saindang mga sadiri sa peligrong darakan kada operasyon. Sinabi pa ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Chester Pumar, dahil subot pwedeng i-body search ang sarong suspect hasta dahil pa nag-abot si mga mandatory witness para dahil masabing pinagtanuman o binugtakan kan PNP ng illegal na droga ang sarong suspect.
Actually, ang isa sa nagiging parang gray area doon is since may na-hold tayo na tao, of course, hindi pa pwedeng i-search, i-bodily search kasi to avoid nga na masabi na may planting of evidence. So, kailangan muna ng nandun na yung mga witness, mandatory witnesses. So, yun doon nagka-problema, yun ang tingin ko habang nag-approach yung mandatory witnesses since madiklom po at di pa man nasi-search yung suspect, may nakatago palang bladed weapon or kitchen knife yung suspect natin. Of course, yung dobling pag-iingat and yung profiling ng suspect napaka-importante. Although nga minsan kasi sa briefing binabanggit na kung gaano ka-delikado yung suspect. Pero kahit hindi delikado or no potential threat, kailangan i-treat talagang mas higher ang level kang threat bago mag-operate.
Sa iba pang bareta, dinumanan ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Chito Oyardo sa ospital kung saan nakakonfine ang intel operative na nasaksak kan suspect na sa indang pinag-drug BUYBUST kasubanggi. Pinagtaon ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Oyardo ang financial assistant sa nasabing operatiba bilang tabang kan PNP. Makakaresibe man subot ni medalya ng sugatang magiting ang nasabing pulis. Sa iba pang bareta, duwang parasira na nakasakay sa baroto ang naaresto kasubagong aga, pasado alas 2 ng amay sa Fish Sanctuary Area kang Barangay Peña Francia del Gallego, Camarines Sur, matapos maaktuhan ang mga inikan del Gallego Municipal Police Station, kaibahan ng mga personahe kan bantay dagat lokal na nagdadakop ning sira gamit ang air compressor. Kasong pagbalgar sa Municipal Ordinance No. 12 Series of 2020 o illegal fishing ang aatubangon kanduang suspect na sinda alias Lito, 60 years old, asin alias Aye, 37 years old, na parehong residente kan Tagkawayan, Quezon. Temporaryong nakakulungon yan sa Del Gallego Municipal Police Station ang duwang lalaking na aresto kasubago. Padagos sa mga bareta. Idineklara ang banwaanin kanakman asin gain sa Camarines Sur bilang stable internal peace and security o mayo ng impluensya ng mga rebeldeng New People's Army. Sa ginibong programa kanakalis na semana, Inatenderan inikan mga representative hali sa Philippine Army, PNP, Philippine Coast Guard asin mga opisyal kan duwang lokal na gobyerno. Pinag-omaw man kan 902nd Infantry Brigade asin 9th Infantry Battalion and kooperasyon kan mga ahensya kan gobyerno, mga opisyal kan duwang LGU asin mismo kan mga residentes na haloy naman nagahalat na magkaigwanin panghaloyan na kataninungan sa saindang banwaan. Sa iba pang bareta, Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry may bago ng Board of Directors. Ang detalye sa report ni Campus Correspondent Dylan Talagtag.
8 hali sa 13 nominees para sa pagka-Board of Directors kan Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry ang formalmente na nag-asumir kan sa intang obligasyon. Kabali sa 8 sina Attorney Carlo Villanueva of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Mike Padua, Tina Rose Castroverde of Lemon Residences, asin Lynn Santi of Villa Caceres. Sinda ang nagribay sa mga dating Board of Directors na haloy na nagtabang sa MNCCI. Kinibuman ka nakaaging simana ang sindang oath-taking ceremony digdi sa Naga. Ang mga bagong Board of Directors iusi may mga negosyo digdi sa syudad ni Naga na membro kang MNCCI. Sa saindang term of office, tututukan subot ninda ang pagpapahiwas, pagpapauswag kan mga negosyo syudad, magkaigwanin pagkasararo, makipagkooperar sa lambang saro, urog na sa gobyerno, asin mga kapwa membro kan Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Well, as a lawyer, we'll try to unify and the members and as much as possible avoid factions within the organization in order that and achieve more of its projects. So now I'm representing NAGA College Foundation as a member of the Chamber of Commerce. I would like to push for the collaboration between the academe and the business sector. Successful businessmen can share their experiences with the students, and the students can also contribute with their innovations in order for the commerce in Naga City would really progress and develop.
Developing young entrepreneurs kasi gusto ko silang mabigyan ng break talaga. And then I'm very passionate about training people. That's like what I'm doing here in Villa Caceres. Kasi sa Villa is dinidevelop ko talaga yung mga bata na I want them to go abroad and dito yung training ground. Gawin lang nila kaming training ground. So medyo passionate ako doon sa training our younger generations para mag-succeed naman sila. Then yung Metro Naga, kung ano, pag ako kasi pumasok actually this is my first time to enter an organization in Naga because sabi ko nga, I was very focused on my career as the general manager of Villa. Pero this time, gusto ko na rin na tumulong talaga.
Inaawan man nin recognition ang mga bagong membro kang MNCCI. Nagpaabot man nin mensahe si Mr. Mario Villanueva, President kang MNCCI sa mga bagong Board of Directors as in membro kang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Para sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Dylan Talagtag, News Break.
Yan ang mga bidang baratang nakalap kan mas pinakusog na puwersa kan GNN TV 48 Naga News and Bicol Affairs. Dahil malingon na i-follow sa aming official Facebook page, GNN TV 48 Naga. Padagos kaming mahatod yung mga baratang garantisado ng ningenot as sinapapanahon. I-hit ang subscribe button sa aming official YouTube channel, GNN TV 48 Naga, para updated kita sa mga barata as in istoryang Bida and Bikolano. Ako po si Jack Mike Angeles, as in ini ang GNN TV 48 Naga News Break.
Man pinagsubo kasi ng opisina na isuspender ang
Sa
penalidad.
tahod ng mga isyu sa war on drugs, palagos man subutang higit na
Ang tubig baha, nung binabot pa sa lampag na magiging
Siya daanas kinong tubig kalayo ang apektado kang kasunod.
News Break.
The future is a race. At NAGA College Foundation, we don't just keep up, we set the pace and we change the game. College of Business and Management, where ideas grow into enterprises. College of Teacher Education, shaping minds that shape the nation. College of Health Sciences, where compassion meets innovation. College of Engineering, designing solutions that redefine tomorrow. College of Arts and Sciences, fueling creativity, culture, and connection. College of Accountancy and Finance, empowering the economy through mastering numbers and market. College of Criminal Justice Education, protecting communities with excellence and integrity. College of Computer Studies, coding the language of the future. And with NCF micro-credential programs, you don't just wait for the future, you leap into it. Gain and demand skills fast, short, powerful, and flexible. Designed to fit your life and fuel your career. 8 colleges, endless possibilities, and micro-credentials to keep you ahead of the game.
Tanga ta diri ko nababay na GNN TV 48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV 48 Naga sa channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang Scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nangunguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bikolano.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree? We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand.
Hashtag market your future. It all starts here
At the NAGA College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF was the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills or the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The NAGA College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Ano, morag ka?
Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Every great success story starts with the right foundation, and at NAGA College Foundation, we've been building those stories for years. Here, we don't just teach, we empower. We don't just educate, we inspire. This is where your winning journey begins.
Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or a visionary, NCF is the place that prepares you to achieve greatness. It's not just about the future, it's about today, taking the steps that make you a winner in every sense, with an affordable tuition, quality education, and excellence in 22 sports programs, which NCF only has in a whole Bicol region.
At NCF, we've built a system that's designed for one thing, your success. The strength of NCF is in its system, a system built for real-world readiness. From modern facilities to internship, bring learning to life, we ensure you gain the skills that matter. It's a system that's designed with your future in mind.
Join us as we take you through the world-class facilities and departments that have shaped some of the most successful graduates, from leaders in business to innovators and technology to change makers in health and society.
The College of Arts and Sciences is where curiosity meets creativity. With state-of-the-art laboratories and innovative curriculum, the students in CAS are not only gaining knowledge, they're creating breakthroughs. At the College of Criminal Justice Education, we turn passion into profession. Our students are immersed in practical training and a real-world application, becoming expert in law enforcement, criminology, and legal studies.
The College of Business Management is a breeding ground for future CEOs, entrepreneurs, and business leaders. With cutting-edge facilities and industry partnerships, CBM students are prepared to lead with innovation and vision. At the College of Accountancy and Finance, we are molding future financial leaders with access to modern accounting software, hands-on practice and financial management, and a focus on real-world financial strategies. CAF prepares you to tackle the complexities of global markets.
The College of Health Sciences is where tomorrow's healthcare leader takes shape. Whether it's nursing, medical technology, or biology, our students are immersed in the latest technology and real-world medical practices.
At the College of Engineering, we don't just teach you how to solve problems, we teach you how to create solutions. Our students are equipped with the tools and the knowledge to tackle the challenges of tomorrow, from infrastructure to technology and everything in between. The College of Computer Studies is where technology comes to life. Here, students dive deep into software development,
To inspire, lead, and make a difference with hands-on teaching opportunities and access to modern teaching tools. Seated students are equipped to become teachers who shape minds and mold future generations. Ready to join the ranks of NCF's successful alumni? Your journey begins here.
and we will always be called as tigers with fierce fangs and claws to conquer the burning success.
We are the home of the champions. As we create honorable titles and names for our institution, we leap into the future as we engage ourselves into modernity and innovation. Rise with the strength of tigers. Choose NCF.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education, Let your quest begin here at the NAGA College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At NAGA College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.